Touted by the company as the biggest building in the world, with an area covering 2,000 acres, the Tesla Texas Gigafactory will also house the company's new headquarters. Additionally, this facility will also be home to the company's popular models, such as the Model 3 and Model Y. Speaking of the Model 3, there has been a lot of talk about the upcoming new version of it. So, let's talk about this in today's video. And for that, all you need to do is watch this video till the very end. Hello everyone, welcome to Tesla News Explained. Hit the subscribe button to get every news about Tesla. Also, do not forget to press the bell icon to get notified when we upload the new video. So, with that being said, let's hop into the video. As the Cyber Rodeo draws closer, a new picture of the Tesla Model 3 at Giga, Texas has started floating around the web. Gigafactory Texas recently released a video that also gives the impression that two Model 3s will be present during the event, as well as the Tesla Cybertruck, Roadster, and Tesla Semi. The facility will serve as a base both for the local U.S. market, as well as for exports. And no doubt, after the facility is placed in full operation, it will have a major impact on the company's ability to produce in the future. The cheapest Model 3 is now available for $46,990 after a price hike earlier this month. That makes the entry-level Model 3 34% more expensive than it was 3 years ago. Moreover, it is also worth noting that additional fees, some of which are industry standards, raise the total price of a basic Model 3 to $48,440. But before its introduction in 2016, the Model 3 was touted as an affordable car that would cost about $35,000. Manufacturers suggested retail prices for the most affordable electric vehicle, such as the Chevrolet Bolt and Nissan Leaf, have declined from a year ago to a year from now, even before inflation is taken into account. Elon Musk said on Twitter, shortly before the latest price hike, that the company was seeing significant inflation pressures in raw materials and logistics. There doesn't seem to be any impact from Tesla's price hikes over the years, as the Model 3 was the world's best-selling electric car in 2021, with approximately 540,000 units sold. Almost 2 years ago, Tesla faced questions as to whether it would be able to survive as an automaker. Since then, the company has become the world's most valuable automaker. But Tesla's apparent price difference for what is considered to be the entry-level Model 3 appears to be a departure from their original plans. Tesla unveiled the Model 3 in April 2016 with Mustang. In terms of price, of course, it will be $35,000. Musk had said in a 2013 CNBC interview that the automaker would create a car which would cost on the order of $35,000. Model 3 deliveries started in July 2017, and more than 500,000 reservations have been made for the $35,000 car. Yet Tesla did not deliver its first Model 3s at the $35,000 price until April of 2019. However, it's true that the hardware of the $35,000 Model 3 matches the $39,500 version of the vehicle, but Tesla decided to restrict the vehicle's range using software and to disable the seat warmers. The $35,000 Model 3 is also missing Autopilot, Tesla's driver assist software, which comes standard on the most affordable Model 3 today. Now the new Model 3's model offers 52 more miles of range and a slightly higher top speed than Model 3's most affordable model, 140 miles per hour instead of 130 miles per hour. In addition to the price, the only apparent disadvantage of the most affordable Tesla currently available is that it takes slightly longer to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour, 5.8 seconds compared to 5.6 seconds. In addition, the $35,000 vehicle could not be purchased online either, which seemed to nudge consumers to purchase a more expensive vehicle. Musk said in a 2019 call that it's like slightly more inconvenient to buy. You just have to make a phone call or visit a store. As early as 2006, Musk stated in an interview that Tesla would first build a sports car, then an affordable car, and then an even more affordable car. Musk recalled the plan during Tesla's Battery Day taking place in 2021. He described the Model 3 and Model Y as having become mass-market premium vehicles. While the Model 3 couldn't be purchased for $35,000, then Tesla promised even lower prices. Musk said that his goal was to make an affordable electric car. As he stated, "I think probably like about 3 years from now, we're confident we can make a very compelling $25,000 electric vehicle." He said, "At some point, we'll do it." but we have enough on our plate right now. So I can tell you that the new plate for Tesla is almost ready to serve with the new dishes. Anyway, that's it for today's video. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when we come up with a new video. Peace out.